Hey everyone, and welcome to Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark, and today we're doing a catch-up on the 4-bedroom HMO. We're about a week and a half away from the property being completed. So let's jump inside and see what progress is still to be made. Okay, so we're about 1 to 2 weeks, I would say 2 weeks away from completion, including snagging. So from this one being completed. This is fully rented out as well, so the letting agent's waiting for this to be handed over. So all 4 bedrooms are rented out at $120 per week per room. In here, we've actually got the communal area. So we're gonna have the TV and obviously the TV going up on this wall. So it's gonna work very, very nicely in here as well. So there's a separate communal area rather than doing a combined like we normally do. We just felt it was just easier to do that. We've got 5 doors as normal on the actual communal. Then coming into the actual kitchen now. Okay, so the kitchen is pretty much installed. We've still got the extractor fan to go up, so that's not a problem. So we've got that over here. So we've switched to these extractor fans. I actually like them from the previous one. We used to like do the dome ones with the silver. So if you actually haven't seen any ones, you can go see, if you click up here, you can actually go and have a look at, say, I think it was one of the refurbs we just finished recently, which has got the dome ones on there anyway. So got those still to go up here, so that's going up there nicely. And then coming upstairs, we've got the 4 bedrooms with 3 en suites and 1 off suite. So let's jump upstairs and see what's going up there. Okay, so we're in bedroom number 1. So this has got an off suite, so it's got its own separate bathroom with its own lock as well. So TV up on this, the wall over here, and then we'll have the bed over there, and then we'll have the desk is going to be just underneath here, there. So we've taken the radiator off the wall, so we can actually get that painted. Still got the joiners, just going to be finishing off the staircase. That'll take literally about a day's work, if that. Coming into the next bedroom over here. So this is the 2nd bedroom, and we've got the obviously ensuite in here, so you can see it all panelled out nicely. We've still got obviously the shower screens to go up, so as I said, we've got about a week's worth of work to do in here. We've got electricians over later on, just checking up on the electrics side of things. And then just coming upstairs, let's go have a look up here. Okay, so we're on the 3rd floor now. 3rd floor? 3rd floor, 2nd floor? Anyway, top floor. So we're in the final, 3rd bedroom. So we've got the ensuite through here. So we've obviously got the locks fitted. We've still got the door handles still go on all doors. But yeah, it's looking nice. So you can see that this is pretty much all installed. Still got the shower screens to go up. But yeah, looking good. Really pleased with the progress in this one. So we've caught up quite a bit. And then coming into here, got this bedroom, so you can see the door here, which we're gonna have the wardrobe over here. So we specifically measured it out for the wardrobes we're gonna put in there. It's be nice and easy, so keep this all nice. Big open space for the bedroom. So we've got 2 plugs there, one for the bedside table and one, so if you have a look over here. So we've got 2 plugs over here, one obviously for the desk. The desk will go roughly around about here. We have the bedside table over here with the lamp and the bed in the middle. Which obviously we've got the TV point just over here next to the ensuite, okay? Again, we've got the ensuite in here. We've still got the toilet still to go in, but literally about 1 or 2 days work for the rest of the plumbing in here, so it doesn't really take too long to get things done. But yeah, make sure that you've subscribed to our actual channel. If you haven't subscribed before, please hit that notification bell as well so you get notified for future videos. If you guys do want to actually profit from UK property, then head to jenicproperty.com. We can book in a free call with one of our team and we'll see how we can help you profit from UK property so you can start replacing your income 1 property at a time and redefine your retirement. Thanks very much for subscribing and watching today's video. I'll see you on next week's Refurb Wednesdays.